Hi guys, this is Fatima Khan. Today we will study about molluscum contagiosum and we will talk about risk factors, how this condition is transmitted, what other clinical signs and symptoms, and we were also going to talk about how it is diagnosed. So, molluscum contagiosum is caused by pox virus transmitted by body contact or towels or clothing. It is commonly seen in immunodeficient subjects or with HIV infections. They vary in size up to 1 centimeter, dome-shaped, flesh color, and often umbilicated. So, molluscum contagiosum is a chronic localized skin infection with vascular shaped papules caused by molluscum contagiosum virus. The most contagious virus is pox virus. It occurs worldwide, occurs most often in childhood but can affect adolescents and adults. Now we will talk about risk factors. First risk factor is immunodeficiency. Anything that cause immune deficiency like infection with HIV or steroid, those type of things can lead to immunodeficiency. Second is sexual activity. Third is other skin conditions like eczema. Incubation period generally occurs between 2 to 6 weeks. So now we will talk about transmission. So how this molluscum contagiosum is transmitted? First is direct skin to skin contact. So anything with the direct contact can lead to transmission of virus from one infected individual to another, including sexual transmitted. Other way is to transmit this virus is fomites. Fomites are things like furniture, desks, chair, towels or clothing, etc. So when someone does become infected and go through incubation period, they can eventually develop dome-shaped papules that have characteristic feature called belly button umbilication. So if we take a close look at these papules, you will see there is a central indent. This central indent is the belly button of the papule. So this is how we can distinguish molluscum contagiosum with other types of skin lesions. These papules are pearly white to flesh color and they have centrally belly button. Giant molluscum contagiosum occurs in immunosuppressant patients. It is like colorless layer plaques. So they are usually multiple and can occur anywhere in the skin and genitalia. Microscopic appearance reveals numerous inclusion bodies, molluscum bodies in the cytoplasm of the cell with Giemsa stain. Now we will talk about distribution. In molluscum contagiosum can be distributed anywhere in the body except palms of the hands and soles of the feet. Molluscum contagiosum typically occurs in skin folds like groins, etc. Pruritus may occur. These papules become itchy. Molluscum contagiosum is dome-shaped papules with a belly button or umbilication. And so if you take a close look at one of the papule, it has a central indenting, that is molluscum contagiosum. So how do we make diagnosis of the molluscum contagiosum? Is generally a clinical diagnosis based on previously explained. So we see dome-shaped papules with central umbilication, which is generally diagnosed molluscum contagiosum. So this is one condition. This is one skin condition that is very common. If you wanna know more other different types of diseases, please check my other videos and please consider subscribing and clicking notification for the channel. Thanks for watching.